RAX EDITOR is the first Filipino-made robotic process automation tool, and it's developed here at Monstar Lab.
So notice yung flow ng data, no? Yung data from invoice, ini-input doon sa payment request form, sa mga documents, and then sa Quickbooks. Yung pain point doon is yung manual siyang tinitignan at ini-input siya sa different documents. And ginagawa nila yung process na yon 5 hours a day, 20 invoices per week. From that process, for this demo, ang gusto natin is ma-extract yung details at malipat siya sa Quickbooks.
Ang goal ko dito personally is to be the first Filipino product that would be able to compete globally with all the bigger players already out there.